Hey everyone, Dave Halleck here in the 2026 Mazda CX-5 with another quick tip for you. It's about the odometer for the new vehicle. So if we go in and we look at our dash, you're going to see the outside temperature and the RPMs and your speedometer. And over on this side, it shows you the range of the fuel in the tank. So there's no odometer telling you how many kilometers are physically on the car showing up in your speedometer cluster. It's over in the main screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to press the home button, which takes you into the main screen where you got the car, where you can spin it around, which is totally awesome. And we're going to go down to the bottom corner. We're going to press this button, and it's going to bring up the icon tabs. And what we want to do is we want to swipe up, and we're going to pick the efficiency. We're going to press and hold it, and then we're going to drag it over. And then we're going to do the next one with the media, because, I mean, it's important to have your radio up here too. And we'll put that up. And then we're going to hit the house button again. So now it shows us our radio settings and our odometer for the car, which gives you your trip counter, trip A and trip B. So if we hit it, then it's going to bring up all of our stats. It's going to show us the current mileage on the car, which is, this one's 27, which is in the showroom, and then you got trip A, trip B, and then your maintenance settings and all the other pieces will be showing up in your screen. So that's how you add the odometer to your new screen in the 2026 Mazda CX-5. Like, follow, and subscribe for more great tips like this on the 2026 Mazda CX-5. I'm Dave Halleck for Jared Gordon's Mazda.